Okay, this is a quick video on how to remove and replace a thermostat assembly. So you can see that we've already removed the outlet, and what we're left with is the neutral wire white, the ground wire green, and the line wire black. So we're going to go to the back of the unit, and we're going to remove these two Phillips head screws, set those aside. Okay, so then we just usually it's easier to pull that off, and then it'll come out or easier. It just slips on and off. So, and then that's the thermostat assembly. And the way these little wire nuts work is these little levers flip up like that, and then you could pull the wire out. So that's our thermostat assembly right there. And then if we want to reinstall it, we're going to put it back in. Just kind of wiggle its way in there. And you have to kind of line it up, so that you can get that first screw started. Once you get that first one started, then you can kind of just get it snug. Grab the second screw. Tighten those up. Take your push button, just kind of line it up on there, push it on. Okay, and then you're going to take either one of these black wires. It does not matter which one you use, but either one is going to go back into the wire nut like that. And then you're left again with black, white, and green. And of course, when you put an outlet back in, you should know that the brass colored screw goes to the black wire. The silver colored screw goes to the white wire. And the green colored screw goes to the green wire. And that's it for replacing a thermostat.